AI is blowing up right now. We're talking next-level stuff like AI building entire apps and websites, things that used to take serious coding chops. Need to find a bug in your code? AI can do that too, sometimes even faster than humans. It's wild. This new reality has a lot of people wondering, is learning to code even worth it anymore? I mean, if AI can do it all, why bother? It's a fair question. Here's the thing, a lot of universities are still teaching coding like it's the early 2000s. We're talking basic syntax, outdated languages, stuff that feels about as relevant as a flip phone in 2025. This old-school approach makes people question if learning to code is even useful in a world dominated by AI. It's like learning to hand-wash your clothes when you have a washing machine. Sure, it's good to know the basics, but is it the best use of your time when AI can handle the heavy lifting? This is where things get interesting. Look, AI is a powerful tool, but it's just that, a tool. Think of it like a supercharged screwdriver. It can make building things faster and easier, but you still need to know where to put the screws. Just typing, build me an app into an AI and hoping for the best won't cut it. You need to know what you want to build, how it should function, and how to tweak it to make it your own. That's where coding comes in. Learning to code isn't just about memorizing lines of code. It's about understanding how software works, how to solve problems logically, and how to think creatively. It's kind of like learning to drive. You don't need to know how to rebuild an engine, but you do need to know how to steer, brake, and, follow the rules of the road. Coding gives you that foundational knowledge, allowing you to communicate with AI effectively, guide its decisions, and ultimately, build better things. The truth is, the role of a developer is changing, not disappearing. We're moving towards a future where developers work alongside AI, using it to automate tasks, generate code, and catch errors. This frees up developers to focus on higher-level problems, design thinking, and really pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So yeah, learning to code is still 100% worth it. But it's not about memorizing syntax anymore. It's about understanding the fundamentals, using AI as your co-pilot, and constantly learning and adapting to this ever-evolving tech landscape. The future belongs to creators who can master both code and AI, using their combined power to build the next generation of incredible things. Peace.